Hello everyone, welcome to your English class. Students, our today's topic in English class is essay writing. The main objective of today's class is to teach you how to write an essay. First of all, we will discuss the importance of essay. Essay increases our understanding. It helps the process of learning. It clarifies and sorts out ideas and information. Kids, essays are always written in a particular format. So, before proceeding, we will discuss the different points of essay. Our first point is introduction. Second point, name. Third point, age. Fourth point, qualification. Fifth point, study or workplace. Sixth point, looks like. Seventh point, qualities. Eighth point is hobbies. And ninth is likings. Okay kids, today we will write an essay, My Mother. Keeping all the points in your mind, let's begin with the essay. Our first point is introduction. Here you will introduce your mother saying, "Hello, meet my mother." Our next point is name. Now you will mention the name of your mother. For example, her name is Mrs. Aarti Sharma. She is a noble lady. Our next point is age. Now you will tell the age of your mother. She is 32 years old. And next point is qualification. Now you will mention the qualification of your mother. For example, she is MA, or you can say she is BCom, she is MBA, she is BTech, or whatever the qualification your mother pursues, you will mention here. And next point is study or workplace. As we are writing an essay on mother, therefore we will consider workplace here, and we will write she is a housewife, or you can say she is a doctor, she is a lawyer, or whatever profession your mother has, here you will mention that. Our next point is looks like. Now you will describe the looks of your mother in details. She is tall and beautiful. She is very graceful. She has big eyes, curly hair, and a round face. She is fair in color. Our next point is qualities. Now you will mention all the qualities of your mother. She takes care of whole family. She cooks yummy food and cleans our home. She helps everyone. She helps me in my studies. She earns money for us. Next point is likings. Now you will mention what is your mother fond of. She likes to watch movies. She likes to go for a walk every evening. She likes to go for shopping. At the end, you will conclude the essay saying, all love her very much. May she live long. Okay kids, as I have already told you the copy approach, how to do the essay in your copy. Now let's have a look how to write essay My Mother. First of all, you will put the heading My Mother. Considering all the points, now let's begin our essay. Our first point is, hello, meet my mother. Second, her name is Mrs. Aarti Sharma. Number 3, she is a noble lady. Number 4, she is 32 years old. Number 5, she is MCom. Number 6, she is a teacher. Number 7, she is tall and beautiful. Number 8. She is very graceful. Number 9. She has big eyes, curly hair and a round face. Number 10. She is fair in color. Number 11. She takes care of whole family. Number 12. She cooks yummy food and cleans our home. Number 13. She helps everyone. Number 14. She helps me in my studies. Number 15. She earns money for us. Number 16. She likes to watch movies. Number 17. She likes to go for a walk every evening. Number 18. She likes to go for shopping. Number 19. All love her very much. And number 20. May she live long. Okay kids, with this I am sure that you have got to know how to write an essay in your copy. Now let's have a quick recapitulation of the points of essay we have done today. First point is introduction. Second point, name. Third point is age. Fourth point is qualification. Fifth point is study or workplace. Sixth point is looks like. Seventh point is qualities. Eighth point is hobbies. And a ninth point is likings. Okay kids, I hope that you have understood how to write an essay. Now all of you just revise all these points and write an essay in your copy. Thank you.